say you what if each up in. You write books, film, song, not even there, so it end. The way you work, really, them have to respect it, my friend. Nah, I beg nobody, no.
Hello everyone, Jay Mullings from Written Mirror here, aka Wicked Penman. Today I wanted to talk about, well, something that's been on my mind for a couple of weeks actually. I've thought about it, and it's whether artists' work should appear, after they die, essentially posthumously. There's been a few singles coming out from artists who have passed away in the last couple of years. Triple X, Nipsey Hussle, Cadet. And it's got me thinking. I'm not even conflicted. I just found it interesting. So in the case of someone like Cadet, he was a Muslim, and apparently it's a sin to listen to music anyway. And then if someone dies, the person who died, you're adding to their sins. If they didn't, they weren't saved before they die, or I don't know. But yeah. So I was like, well, that kind of got me thinking, hang on a second. I don't know why I haven't put these on. Let me make sure you can actually hear me. Check. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Check. Yep, you can hear me. And then in the case of Nipsey Hussle, then, a lot of these recordings were done, and I'm sure they would have been done with a plan to release them around a certain amount of time, so on and so forth. So it's not like it's planned death. These are unexpected deaths. So I guess I understand. I guess where it starts to get strange and muddy is when there is no benefit to the family and who's left behind, I suppose. Someone just using it for a rise to push their star a bit forwards, and that I'm not cool with. But if it goes to helping the family, I guess I understand. Not only do I understand it, I guess I support that. I guess I do support that. But yeah, I also thought it was interesting, and it's like I started to say to myself whether I would like my music, or let's say I got to a position where I was, a sought after artist, on my way up, done lots of collabs, lots of features, lots of recordings that have never seen the light of day. If I was to pass away, what would I want done with them? And truthfully, yeah, I guess part of me says if it could help my family, release the music. If it's someone that I worked on a song, there's someone I really, really rocked with, and then we worked on a song, and then again, released the song. So I guess, not even like, I don't have to guess. I'm for it if the purpose is genuine and if it helps. If it's just someone trying to, that I wouldn't be cool with. And I guess on the film side of things as well, is the whole hologramming, hologramming people, or using, those face transfer software to keep them in films artificially after they're dead. Again, I don't know how I would feel about my likeness being used after I'm gone. Like, that's where it gets kind of strange. And I know it's quite a morbid topic, but it's been that you got to recognize I've seen so many releases come out during the last how many weeks that were like this, so it kind of got me thinking. It got me thinking that, okay, like, how would I feel if I was the person whose work was being, whose voice was being used after it's gone, and so on and so forth. So interesting, very, very interesting stuff. I'd love to hear what you guys think. If you're for it, and if you're against it. If you're against it, why? Would you be for it in certain circumstances, but against it in others, or you just all the way for it and all the way against it? That would be the things I'd like to know. So leave your opinion in the comments. All opinions are welcome. Like I said, just keep it respectful, keep it classy. But yeah, Written Mirror, Jay Mullings, Wicked Penman. I'm out. Oh, I do this all the time. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you're on the Written Mirror channel, please subscribe to the One Wicked Penman channel. If you're on the One Wicked Penman channel and you see this, please subscribe to the Written Mirror channel as well. I don't always duplicate content, so that's why I'm trying to keep the Written Mirror content for more kind of film, writing, creativity in general. And I want to keep the Wicked Penman, one Wicked Penman page for more music, behind the scenes stuff, thoughts about music, thoughts about where the industry is going, so on and so forth. They don't always overlap. So that's kind of where I want you to follow both pages, please. That, and it's just a click of a button. Hit that bell so you can know when new content comes out. Yeah. All right, I'm out.